Good afternoon, one and all. Thank you, respected Chair, for giving me this opportunity. So we are here to discuss about Gond community. The Gond community is to be recognized as ST in 4th district of UP. The bill amends the SC order to exclude Gond community as ST in 4 districts of UP, and it amends ST order to recognize Gond as ST. Sir, I appreciate this approach. At the same time, I encourage some important issues which I am going to highlight upon. Sir, instead of bringing separate bills, government should have taken some comprehensive measure to include some other communities in different other states, sir. Sir, we have seen government has clapped non-money bills to money bills several times in order to get it passed through properly and smoothly. Sir, combining multiple SC/ST order amendment bill into one bill would have been less dangerous than this, sir. Sir, we have seen the parliamentary mockery in last few years. So far the scrutiny of bill is concerned, in 15th Lok Sabha the percentage of scrutiny was 71%. And now it has come down in 17th Lok Sabha to 13% only. What can be a more mockery of parliament than this, sir? Sir, we are talking about scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. Let me draw your attention to the budgetary allocation for employment generation of SC. It was 170.96 crore last time, and it has come down to 22.97 crore. It has been slashed down by 86.5%, sir. So far the scheduled tribe is concerned, the budgetary allocation for employment generation was 89.5 crore earlier, and it has come down to only 11.3 crore. So there is a slash down, it has been slashed down by 87%. Sir, according to Dalit Arthik Adhikari Andolon, there are gaps of 40,634 crore for scheduled caste and 9,399 crore for scheduled tribe in the budget, sir. The problem is nowadays NDA doesn't stand for National Democratic Alliance. Nowadays it stands for no data available. Sir, where is the will to conduct 2021 census, sir? Sir, we have enough fortitude to conduct election despite COVID, despite everything. But at the same time, we don't have any proper intention to go for the census. Sir, no socio-economic caste census data is available. Sir, government doesn't want to release even the decade-old data from 2011 socio-economic caste census, sir. Sir, what are you afraid of or discovering of? Sir, let me talk about the SC/ST literacy rate in our country. In India, the scheduled caste male literacy rate is 75%, where in our state of West Bengal, it is 84%. In India, female scheduled caste literacy rate is 68%, where in our state of West Bengal, it is 74%, sir. So far the scheduled tribe is concerned, male literacy rate in India is 56%, where that in our state of West Bengal is 65%, sir. Why don't you take the good part of West Bengal? What's harm in taking the better part of West Bengal, sir? So let me talk about some West Bengal schemes which benefit the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in reality, sir. Let me talk about Oikosri. It's a scholarship scheme, sir. Let me talk about post-matric scholarship. Let me talk about OSC scholarship. Sir, there is a SC/ST pension scheme for vulnerable elderly, sir. Various lending program to grow entrepreneurship. The actual problem is the love and affection for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe of this BJP government is. If you recall, our respected Draupadi Murmuji, after she got the nomination for the President of India, light post was installed in her native place. That is a love for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe community. After she became our respected President, sir, then only guest house was prepared near his in-laws' house. That is the love and concern for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe community. Sir, the problem is, West Bengal is the only state where we are having specific scheduled caste advisory council. But this government is so egoistic, they won't talk to West Bengal government because their Mamata Ji is ruling the state. Center's vision, I am talking about some center's vision. Sir, there was one national overseas scholarship for SC. The students who wanted to study Indian culture and history abroad used to be benefited. What did this government do? This government totally discontinued this scheme, sir. Central government has Shreyas. This is a project is an umbrella program comprising of 4 highly important higher education programs: National Fellowship for Scheduled Caste, National Overseas Scholarship for Scheduled Caste, Top Class Education for Scheduled Caste, and free coaching for Scheduled Caste and OBC. Can you imagine the budgetary allocation for this important project, sir? You will be surprised to know that the entire budgetary allocation is a paltry amount of only 364 crores, sir. You can just imagine by going through this data how much concerned this government is so far the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes are concerned. Sir, Government of India announced in 2021 budget that 750 Ecolabbo residential schools will be formed. Only 367 are functional till date, sir. Sir, there is now new population criteria for sub-district Ecolabbo school. So again some restrictions have been imposed upon. So the number will be even less in the coming days. Sir, only 36,000 land titles were distributed under the Forest Rights Act between 2019 and 2020. Poorest performers are BJP ruled states, that is Bihar, earlier it was Uttarakhand and Goa. Sir, it doesn't serve anyone to offer mere lip services to the cause of ST while selling their lands and resources to corporation. Sir, what does the NCRB report say that the National Crime Record Bureau says atrocities against scheduled caste, scheduled tribe has been increased by 6.4% in 2021. And UP is leading the list with 13,146 cases. Our Adaraniya Jagiraj highest against scheduled caste, total percentage is 26%. Sir, violence against Dalit and Adivasi women, incidents are increasing day by day. Sir, rape, so far the scheduled caste women are concerned, and minors, it is 7.64%, and ST women, it is 15%. Sir, I would like to conclude with one last shocking statistics. We saw in the last session how the Criminal Procedure Identification Bill 2022 was bulldozed to Lok Sabha, sir. I don't need to tell this House what a draconian bill it was. 3 in 4, that is 75% of the prisoners in India are under trials, and one of the highest proportions in this world. Worse than this, 2 in 3 prison inmates, that is 66%, they belong to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and OBC. These communities have historically been discriminated against the profile through legislation like the Habitual Offenders Act, and your new law opens them up to further violation of human rights, sir. Sir, I support this bill, but I oppose this tokenism. The problem is the love for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe is shown by when the BJP leaders from the center, they are going to visit some SC and ST house. Before going their places, they are taking the food from 7-star hotel. They are entering inside an ST house. They are using their utensils only and eating the 7-star food, keeping on the utensils of that ST community, eating the food and coming away and forgetting them. This is the love and affection for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, sir. So the problem is, I support this bill, but I oppose this tokenism. This government does in the name of welfare for SC and ST. Let me paraphrase our Honorable Prime Minister's slogan to reflect this government's attitude towards disadvantaged communities. That is, sabka saath, par sirf kuch ka vikas. So my humble suggestion will be, instead of passing crocodile tears for this scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, instead of passing crocodile's tear, really try to think positive for the betterment of these backward communities of the country, sir. Thank you very much.